All right, check it out, guys. I just want to do a little quick math with you, real quick. We started with REI call center about 2 months ago. Within the week and a half, I would say, the first week and a half, we got our first deal under contract. Last night, we got another deal under contract. And then tonight, we're getting another deal under contract. So that makes 3 deals under contract in less than 3 months. Where do they do that? REI call center, that's where they do that. So I just wanted to take a moment out to say, just give a really massive shout out to REI call center and a special shout out to Anton and our acquisition manager, Sandra. If it wasn't for your continued love and support and your patience, most importantly, the patience for our newbie questions, we wouldn't be where we are today. So I just wanted to take the moment to say thank you for being a part of our journey. We are so proud to have you be a part of that. And we just wanted to say we are so excited for the future and even more excited for getting to that closing table, which we are just moments away at this point. Thank you guys so much.